So once you've logged on, you're basically seeing the dashboard for WordPress, and the dashboard here basically just gives you an overview of what's happening with your website, the recent activity, like if you happen to have multiple users that are posting for you, which is usually unlikely. Um, and let's just make this bigger here, make it full screen. So let's just go over the basic interface for WordPress. And so along the top bar here, we have this WordPress icon, which you can use to kind of return home. And then over here, it says what site it is in case if you happen to be managing multiple sites, it tells you which site you're on. And then if you want to like preview your website, you can click visit site. And here is basically any plugin updates that are queued up or that are ready. Any comments that you might have if you have comments enabled on your website. And then plus here, the plus sign here is to add a new post or media or a new page. And I'm going to go over that in a bit. And then over on the right-hand side, it says who's logged in, which user account you're using. And this is where you can also log out when you're done. So that's basically the top bar in WordPress. And then on the left side, there's a bunch of different things here, but there's only a few items that you really need to be aware of at this point. And essentially, that's home, and then posts, and pages. And it's pretty common to wonder what the difference is between posts and pages. So pages are basically like static web pages that don't change. Whereas with posts is sort of like an ongoing, categorized, updated, almost like a blog or like a news section that you have that you're constantly adding new material to. And we'll probably go into more of that later. There's the Nice Page plugin section here, menu item, and this is a good place to start if you wanted to create a new page for your website. And again, that differs from a post. And then the only other thing you really need to be aware of here is the media section. And the media section is where you're going to add all of your pictures, your sounds, video, all that stuff. That happens here.